With most home sales, once the buyer has their home inspection, they then present the seller with a list of repair requests. And the first question the seller asks us is, do I have to take care of all these repairs? And the answer typically is no, you don't have to take care of everything. We generally put repair requests into one of three categories. First category is items that really do need to be addressed. These are things like code violations, structural issues, safety issues. These are things where they could stop the lender from making the loan, and items where a typical buyer is not expected to be able to discover these things before they make the offer on the property. Second category is what we usually consider unnecessary repairs. These are typically cosmetic things, maybe a worn spot in the carpet, a hole in the wall. These are items where the buyer had every opportunity to see these things when they were walking through the property, and they should have been taken into account when the buyer made the offer. Then the last category is things that are negotiable. These are often maintenance items, say a toilet that keeps running. Things, they're not a danger to the house, they're not any kind of violation. They're just, something that should be addressed, but the buyer is perfectly capable of just addressing it simply once they own that property. Or it could be more serious issues. For example, a furnace that's working fine, but the home inspector is saying that it's towards the end of its expected lifespan, and it could be fine for another 10 years, but it could also stop working in 3 months. In those situations, we often recommend to the seller that they offer the buyer a home protection plan, which is basically a warranty which will cover any repairs if there are problems with the systems of the house in the first year after the buyer purchases the property. So again, like most things in real estate, most of the repair requests are negotiable. So if you're thinking about selling in Central Jersey, please visit us at www.joannandbob.com and contact us today. Thank you.